Hello guys, here's the thing. This is a lot of code on a screen and we are working just with one paragraph. So imagine a situation when you have multiple IDs and classes and headings and tables and images. It will be absolute hell. So solution is to use CSS One-Liners. That will shorten amount of code we are going to type. So let me delete this and we're gonna start with style. Okay, so border, style, and then we will say solid, for example, and dashed. And that means that solid will target top and bottom and dashed will target right and left border. Check this out. There you go, you have a result. But it will be very nice if this border is a little bit bigger. So border that will be 15 pixels, let's say, for testing purposes. And now hopefully you see things clearer. Here's the thing. Can you target any of these sides individually? Well, yes, and you will always start from here, from top. So just imagine that you will roll clockwise when you target 4 of these sides. So solid will hit top border, dashed will be for right one, and now we need to type something for bottom and for left. So bottom will be dotted and left will be double. And save and refresh, and there you go guys. So solid, top, dashed, right, dotted, bottom, here we are, and double final left one. Cool stuff. Okay, so what about width? Can we set those things individually for all of them like we have here? Well, sure. And we will use this arrangement and we will start from top, of course. Top, right, down, left. Clockwise basically, starting from here. So let's use 5 pixels for top, 10 pixels for right, 25 pixels for bottom, and 50 pixels for left. And this one will be definitely ugly. Yeah, definitely ugly. Anyway, so let's arrange this code a little bit because I need you to understand this. So I'm gonna like have some kind of columns here, something like that, so you can see better. Just a second, I need to arrange this something like this. Right, you need to understand these things. Right, so refresh and same result, but we have kind of dedicated columns for dedicated borders, 4 of them, all of them. So following same logic, can we define individual colors here? Well, yes. So say border, color, and we're gonna hit top one with red, and right one with a yellow, let's say yellow, and bottom dots with green or blue, let's say blue, and left border will be I have yellow, green, yeah, green, who cares. So let me refresh our page. And there you go guys, we have a result. So if you want to target all of them individually with one-liners, yes, you can do that. But please, for simplicity reasons, use only 2 of them or 4 of them. Don't mix 2 and 3 and 4 because you will be confused totally with one paragraph immediately. So I think that this is nice representation of what we are hitting here. So with this thing, we are hitting top. Okay, is it solid? Yes. Is it 5 pixels? It's the smallest one. Yes. Is it red? Yes. And same stuff for all other sides. Dashed, here we are. Dotted, here we are. Double, here we are. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you're going to save your time with CSS, because just imagine that down there you have 12 individual lines for these things. It is just a lot of unnecessary code. And I'm gonna repeat once more time, and I'm gonna finish tutorial, start doing these things from top. Just imagine that you roll clockwise. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock, or 12, 15, 18 and 21. It depends how you think. Right, so save and see you next tutorial.